So the process to get coordinates on Google Maps on iPhone is quite easy and simple. Just go and open up your Google Maps app. And once that is open, now you need to go to the location for which you want to get the coordinates. So for example, if just go down, maybe I want to get the coordinate of this place. I would just go and tap on this. Now you can see this is a drop pin, it opens up. Now here if I swipe it up under the name of the city or the location, you can see some random numbers. Oh, sorry, they are not really random. They are actually the coordinates. So if you tap on this, it says coordinate copied to clipboard. Now they are copied. And for example, if I go somewhere else, and again, if I want to go to the same location, I would just paste the coordinates, tap on search. We again go back to the same location. So this is how you get the coordinates and paste it or copy it. Hope by doing so you'll be able to get the coordinates on Google Maps on iPhone. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.